Okay, so I have just finished vacuuming with my old Shark vacuum. Carpet looks not too bad, not bad at all. Yes, I know there's a shoe under my sofa. And as you can see, it's so dirty in there, it's hard to see, but it's pretty full of just a bunch of gunk. Okay guys, all right, so I'm done vacuuming my rug for the second time with my new Apex vacuum. And let's take a look. It's kind of hard to tell from... That is absolutely disgusting. So after the first vacuum, then I go back over it the second time with my new Apex, and this is what comes up on the second go around.
This Shark is a nice machine in terms of suction and getting up pet hair. It has some good attachments, but it's very heavy and awkward to carry around. And the other problem is that these attachments are supposed to fit right onto the side here. This says right here, motorized pet tool, and they don't really click in, as you can see, so they're too loose. And if you wander around too much with